Where is my spaghetti? I am so hungry. Where's my spaghetti? I need spaghetti for the queen. Why are you guys all laying around there when you should be helping? Sorry, we're on our break. Yep. Some kibble, yeah, Catholic kibble, and some tea. What people like tea, especially queens. Good luck. Thank you. Here go your queen. Some tea and kibble. Ew. No. Yuck. I distinctly wanted spaghetti. I'm sorry, but we were all out. Ugh. Guards, I think you know what to do. Or what's coming, or whatever. Yep. No, please. Please, I can be better. Yeah, right. No. No. No, get up there. Boy. Okay, do it, Steve. Right on you, Bob. No. Did you kill him? Yep. Yep. Good. Now, no one better mix up my meal ever again, or else you have to kill them. And then I'll have less people. Yep. I love my life. Okay, I think I speak for everyone here, but the queen has finally lost her noodles. She is so mean. Right here, sister. Yep. Wait. Where's Tom? What do you mean? He never came back. You're right. Where could he have went? I don't know, Stacy. Okay, that's it. The queen has got to be stopped. Does anyone have a plan? Anyone? Anyone? Hey, no, I don't have a plan. Okay. I actually have a plan. Gather round. Even you guys there. Then you, Clarewell. Got it? Yeah. We're getting rid of the queen.